Now you can also buy our favorite toys from www.puntunkids.com. Link is in the description.
Mango. It was a Sunday and Gattu Chinky were drawing in their drawing book. Suddenly, the doorbell rang and Papa opened the door. Gattu Chinky got excited and went to see who it was. But outside, it was a courier boy and Papa had 2 big boxes in his hand. Gattu Chinky, looks like your Bua has sent something for you because this has her name on it.
Wow, Papa. What is there in these 2 boxes? Quickly show me. What Aunt has sent for us. I think that there are a lot of chocolates in it.
No, Chinky, it doesn't look like that at all to me.
Wait. Let me open these boxes and see. Then everyone will get to know what's inside. When Papa opens the boxes, everyone gets very happy. One box had lots of raw mangoes and the other box had ripe mangoes in it.
Wow, so many mangoes.
Oh wow, these raw and ripe mangoes, they smell so good.
You are right, Mummy. They look so fresh.
Suddenly, after seeing ripe mangoes, Gattu remembers something and he starts jumping with excitement.
Hey, Mummy. You know what? After seeing these ripe mangoes, I got a very good idea. What is that, Gattu? Chinky, have you forgotten? Tomorrow we have to prepare a healthy and refreshing drink for the summer in school. And that too with one of the ingredients. Oh yes, I almost forgot. So Gattu, what will you make? Chinky, I will make mango shake with these fresh mangoes. Mummy, will you please teach me how to make a mango shake?
Yes, definitely. Why not, Gattu?
Gattu goes into the kitchen with Mummy and starts learning how to make mango shake. On the other hand, Chinky starts thinking how and with what she will make her summer drink. Papa notices that Chinky is worried and he asks, Chinky, what happened? What are you thinking?
Papa, Gattu has decided to make mango shake from these fresh mangoes. Now what will I do? Now only these raw mangoes are left. How can someone make summer drink from these raw mangoes?
Oh, Chinky dear, you don't know, but these raw mangoes are very useful to us. I agree that mango shake is very tasty, but have you ever tasted raw mango panna?
What? Panna? No, Papa. How is it made?
Dear, when your Bua and I were small and lived in the village, then our mummy, means your grandma, used to make cool mango panna for us in summers. And it is very refreshing and yummy. More so, it's very healthy too, dear.
Really, Papa? So do you know how to make it?
Yes, Chinky, this is your grandma's secret recipe. And only I know it. I'll teach you too. Then you can take that tomorrow.
Yay! Okay, Papa. My drink will be the most unique one in the class.
Then what? As soon as Mummy teaches Gattu how to make a mango shake, the kitchen gets empty. Papa takes Chinky with him and starts teaching her grandma's secret aam panna recipe. Look, Chinky, first we'll boil raw mangoes in water. And when it is boiled, we'll remove the peel and keep the pulp aside.
Okay, then what, Papa?
Then in the raw mango pulp, we'll add red chili powder, salt, black salt, mint leaves and sugar and then blend it well.
What? Sugar and salt together? I have heard it for the first time.
Yes, Chinky dear. After that, when it is blended properly, we'll add and mix some water. And our aam panna is ready. That's it. Now add some ice to it.
Wow, Papa, this is really great. May I just taste it for once?
Yes, definitely. Why not?
This is really very tasty and refreshing too. You have made it really awesome.
Yes, Chinky dear. Now you also know Dadi's secret recipe.
Yes, Papa. Now I will prepare this and take it tomorrow to the school. I am 100% sure that everybody will love this.
Next day, all the children in Gattu Chinky's class bring their summer drinks with them. Someone had made Ruh Afza, some lemonade. Some kids had also made milkshake. But everyone loves the mango panna summer drink Chinky had made. Nobody had had this drink before, and everyone loved it instantly.
Chinky, seriously, I did not know that we can make such refreshing and nice drink from raw mangoes too. Yes, Goody, and it is also very healthy. We get lot of benefits from drinking this in summer. And Gattu's mango shake is also very yummy. It's fun to drink, friends. Thank you, Hari. This is all thanks to my secret recipe.
All the kids taste each other's summer drinks and enjoy a lot. Then after reaching home, Papa and Chinky together make mango panna for everyone. And everyone enjoys.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.